Hi guys, what up? It's LincolnStream. Today we're back on our next Honda mini bike video, and we're going to try taking apart stuff and parts to see how we can get it ripped apart. See ya! Some parts off the motorbike. Some parts, me and my dad got confused, so he looked up how to do it, kinda. If you look over here, we took the piece off that was like right there. Carburetor, and there's like a pipe right there. And if you look right here, the like screws are off. And over here, up here, the gas can's out. And over here, this we started getting, and if you look, if I drop this, it goes down because we took two very strong springs and a metal piece with a spring on the end. I'll show you the pieces that we took off over here. This is a piece we took off today.
What is that?
The gas can. This is the seat. This is the license plate. This is some of the motor stuff.
Carburetor.
This is the carburetor. And right here, this is the battery. And right here, this is what held the battery in place. And over here, in here, it's wet.
That's like from fuel and stuff.
I hope you see us for our next Honda motorbike video. over here. See you guys